Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Product. If you were searching for the best wireless CarPlay adapter to remove messy cables and upgrade your driving experience, you are in the right place. Today, we are talking about a smart 2-in-1 adapter that turns your wired system into a smooth and fully wireless setup. Let's get started. Let me introduce the OED CVVD Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This compact device is designed to convert your existing wired CarPlay or Android Auto system into a wireless one. That means no more plugging in your phone every time you enter the car. The OED CVVD Wireless CarPlay Adapter supports both Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, giving you flexibility no matter which smartphone you use. Once connected, you can enjoy hands-free access to navigation, music streaming, voice commands, phone calls, and text messages. Everything works wirelessly while keeping your dashboard clean and organized. This not only improves convenience, but also helps you stay focused on the road without dealing with cables. One of the key strengths of the ODCVVW Wireless CarPlay Adapter is its upgraded 2025 intelligent IC chips and processors. These advanced components provide a fast and stable connection between your phone and your car system. The connection stays smooth with minimal delay or interruption. It also preserves the original audio quality, so your music and calls remain clear and crisp. Setup is simple and quick. The ODCVVD Wireless CarPlay Adapter does not require extra apps or complicated installations. You just follow 3 easy steps to pair it with your smartphone. After the first setup, it automatically reconnects every time you start your car. This automatic connection saves time and makes the whole experience feel seamless. Compatibility is another strong point. The OED CCVD Wireless CarPlay Adapter works with iPhones running iOS 10 or later and Android devices with version 11 and above. It also includes a USB to USB-C converter, which helps it fit different CarPort types. Of course, your vehicle needs to support wired CarPlay or Android Auto for it to work properly. In terms of design, the ODCVVD Wireless CarPlay Adapter is sleek and compact. It does not take up much space and blends easily into your car setup. You can leave it connected without it getting in the way. No cables, no hassle, just smooth driving. If you want to upgrade your car system with wireless freedom, the ODCVVD Wireless CarPlay Adapter is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description to learn more. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart tech videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.